I kind of put it out there on Facebook. A mutual friend, Shay, inboxed me and was like, "You need to try these guys. I know them, I trust them," and it was Kevin and Joey. "Look, this is my budget. This is what I can spend. What can you do?" They worked with that. They weren't trying to, increase my budget. Anytime I had a question or a concern, they were like right there. They always kept me in touch with what was going to happen. I trusted everything in them, and they came out. I think because of the respect that they gave me, it was easy to give it back to them. I think people think I spent more than I did. And it was amazing, and I trusted everything. But, I'm so happy with the work.